This is the brown list. Number 1 is afternoon. We will work on social studies this afternoon. Number 2 is post date. I will post date the check because I'm not ready for you to cash it. Number 3 is forewarn. Lungwort tried to forewarn the mice that Mr. Ocax was dangerous. Number 4 is prefix. A prefix is put at the beginning of a word to change its meaning. Number 5 is forearm. I bumped the volleyball using my forearm. Number 6 is prejudge. If you prejudge a vegetable without trying it, you might miss something that's delicious. Number 7 is premix. If you buy a cake mix, it's a premix of all the ingredients you need to make the cake. Number 8 is foresight. I had the foresight to pack an umbrella in my bag because I thought it might rain. Number 9 is post-game. The coach had a post-game talk to tell his team, that they played very well. Number 10 is aftershock. After the volcano, there was an aftershock that shook our house.